Are you ready to unlock the secret to perfectly managing your company's accumulated profits in Peachtree? Now Stage 50, let's dive right into creating a dedicated retained earnings account to ensure accurate financial reporting. First, navigate to the chart of accounts. You can usually find this under the Maintain menu. Once the chart of accounts window is open, click the New button to create a new account. This will open the Maintain chart of accounts window, where you'll input all the necessary information for your retained earnings account. In the Account ID field, enter a unique identifier for your retained earnings account. A common practice is to use something like 32,000 or a similar number that fits within your existing equity account numbering. Next, select equity as the account type. This is crucial for classifying the account correctly on your balance sheet. Then, in the description field, type retained earnings so that the account is easily identified. Almost there. Now, you can set the beginning balance if your company has historical retained earnings. If you are a new company, leave this blank. Finally, verify all the information you've entered and click Save. Congratulations! You've successfully created a retained earnings account in Peachtree, ensuring accurate tracking of your company's profits. With this dedicated account, you can confidently monitor your accumulated profits, making financial reporting a breeze.